Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download your Canva designs quickly and easily. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. Then open the design that you want to download. Once your design is ready, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. From the menu that appears, click Download. Canva will now open the download settings. Here, you can choose the file format that best fits your needs. For example, you can select PNG for high-quality images, JPG for smaller file sizes, PDF standard or PDF print for documents, and MP4 video if your design contains animations or video. If your design has multiple pages, you can choose to download all pages or only the pages you want. Depending on the file type, you may also see options such as image size or quality. After selecting your preferred settings, click the Download button. Canva will process your design for a few moments and then automatically download the file to your computer. Once the download is complete, you can open the file, share it with others, upload it online, or use it in your projects. Downloading your design is a great way to keep an offline copy and use it wherever you need. And that's it. That's how you download Canva designs in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials and helpful guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.